Hello, and welcome to the HelloID Provisioning Product Release video for October 2025. HelloID Provisioning is a 100% born in the cloud, easy to configure, and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network and your cloud applications. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that this video highlights only the new features in the October 2025 release. For more videos, visit docs.helloid.com or check out our YouTube channel. Let's dive in. We'll start with a PowerPoint presentation before moving on to demonstrate the new functionalities for the October 2025 release. In this release, we're excited to introduce one new feature. With this release, we have introduced the ability to manual link an unmanaged account to a person when processing an entitlement import report. After the unmanaged account is selected, it will be granted to the selected person during the next import, and will also facilitate automatic matching in the future through updated correlation values by setting the account correlation value, for example username or employee ID, to match the person's correlation property value. Let's dive in and explore the new feature. In this release, you can now link an unmanaged account to a person directly in the entitlement import report. You'll find this new functionality under Business, Entitlements, Import. Alongside this, we've also added some smaller improvements, and in this video, we'll walk you through the main new features step by step. Let's begin with the improvements. We've added new filters to the overview, which lets you filter on different account states. For example, you can now filter by new account. This filter highlights people who don't yet have an account based on correlation, or those with an unlinked account that was previously added. We've also introduced decorrelated, which means the account was linked before, but no longer matches the current correlation settings. Then there's manually linked, which we'll explain in more detail shortly. Finally, the managed state indicates that HelloID already recognizes the account as being properly linked to the person. These filters are especially useful when working with permissions or account access entitlements. It's also important to note that they apply when exporting reports. To support manual linking, we've added a new button to this overview. Clicking it opens a dedicated screen to handle manual linking more easily. For example, in this demo, Alice Thomas did not get her account automatically linked due to missing correlation values. We can solve this manually by selecting the correct account and using the blue button to link it to Alice. If there are multiple possible matches, you can click for more account information. This will display all mapped account attributes, making it easier to compare accounts and select the right one. Once you've chosen the correct account, simply click the blue icon on the right-hand side. The account will then be linked to the person, and the overview will update to show the result with a manually linked tag. From here, HelloID will automatically determine and import any related entitlements based on your business rules. These entitlements are based only on the desired state from your business rules, so external or unrelated entitlements won't be included. If you make a mistake, don't worry, there's a red Manually Unlink button at the top of the overview. You can use it to undo both manual and automatic links. Once an account is manually linked, you can return to the report with the cross button. If the report contains manual links, this will be shown in the summary when you use the import function. For example, it may indicate that one manually linked account is included in the import. If you cancel and later create a new report, keep in mind, if there are manual links in the previous report, you'll see a warning. This warning lets you know those manual links will be undone when the new report is generated. As we conclude this overview of the latest HelloID release, we hope you're as excited as we are about these enhancements and new features. They're designed to streamline your experience, improve security, and ensure your system's integrity with advanced configurations and mappings. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for choosing HelloID for your identity and access management needs.